Unraveling the mystery of server maintenance. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that you might come across in the tech world: server maintenance. Understanding this term is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about getting a glimpse into how the digital world operates. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. Before we talk about server maintenance, let's understand what a server is. A server is a powerful computer or computer program that provides data to other computers. It's like a busy restaurant kitchen that serves meals to the guests. In the digital world, these meals are the web pages, videos, and information we access on the internet. Servers play a crucial role in keeping our digital experiences smooth and efficient. Now, let's break down the term maintenance. Maintenance refers to the process of keeping something in good condition by checking or repairing it regularly. Imagine you have a car. To ensure it runs smoothly, you need to check the engine, change the oil, and fix any issues. Maintenance is all about preventing problems before they occur, ensuring longevity and reliability. Putting it all together, server maintenance involves regular checks and repairs on a server to ensure it runs efficiently without any interruptions. This process can include updating software, installing security patches to protect against hackers, and checking the physical hardware for any issues. Server maintenance is crucial for preventing downtime, where a website or online service becomes unavailable, and for protecting sensitive data from security breaches. You might wonder, why is server maintenance so important? Well, without regular maintenance, servers can become slow, unreliable, or even vulnerable to attacks. This can lead to websites crashing, data being lost or stolen, and a frustrating experience for users trying to access online services. For businesses, this can mean lost revenue and damaged reputation. So, server maintenance is not just a technical necessity, it's a critical part of delivering a reliable and secure online experience. And that wraps up our exploration of server maintenance. We hope this video has shed some light on what server maintenance entails and why it's such an essential aspect of the digital world. Remember, the next time you enjoy a seamless online experience, there's a team of professionals performing regular server maintenance behind the scenes. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting lessons. See you in the next video.